Okay, today we are going to discuss multiple pie charts. Here we have two pie charts. The first pie chart is about the energy consumption of an average Australian household. It means an average Australian house. The total energy consumption, how it is distributed. The second pie chart represents the greenhouse gas emissions, how the greenhouse gas is emitted, the proportion of greenhouse gas emitted from these particular, when these particular activities are done, how is the proportion of gas emissions in these places. So it is clear that there is now direct relationship between these two, because we cannot connect these things together. So I can connect energy source and energy consumption, or energy consumption and deficit. I can say there is a direct relationship, but I cannot say that energy use is directly related to the gas emission. So it is better to state these things separate, in the sense household energy use you have to state in one paragraph, greenhouse gas emissions you can state in another paragraph. This is the best way, safe side. But if you go with that, it is recommended to give one introduction. The first chart shows this thing, the Australian household energy use. Explain it. And the second paragraph, again one introduction. The second chart shows, or the second pie chart shows this thing. And again an introduction. This is the way we can present it. We can do that. That is the best method. Or else we can give the introduction together. The first chart shows like that, the second chart shows like that. Turning to the first chart, turning to the second chart. This is the second way. But we have another option here. We give this thing. We give the introduction together. This is also given and this is also given in the introduction. Then give the overview. And then take the highest proportion of energy use. And we can connect these things together here, because this is almost 75% heating purposes. It's water heating and general heating. It goes to 42 plus 30%. So it's around 72%, nearly 3/4. When it comes to the gas emission, it goes nearly 50%. It is not even 50%. It is just around 47% there. Exactly 47%. The other goes to 53%. Here the others goes to just 26%, 28%. Yes, 28%. From 28%, that is the energy use of these. But the gas emission is 53% from these equipment. The gas emission from these water heating is just 47. So this is another way of comparison. We are comparing the energy use from the same equipment the gas emission from the same equipment. So definitely I can do that, even though the thing is different, the pie charts, the purpose is different. I can compare because the matter is the same. Here the matter is the same. Heating, water heating, refrigeration, other appliances, lighting and cooling. So everything is same there and here. So I can make a comparison like that. You can see some sorts of similarities and dissimilarities here. The first thing is that so this around 42%, it goes to 15%. It is less than the half. It is almost the same. But when it goes to refrigeration, it doubles. Other appliances, it doubles. Lighting, it doubles. Cooling, it's almost doubles. So this 28% grows to 57%. This shrinks to just 43%. 53 and 47%. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah. 532 plus 50. Yes. 47. So that's the thing here. Now I can say the introduction together in this particular task. So the introduction is stated together. The charts compare the pattern of energy consumed by an average Australian household and the greenhouse gas emissions resulting from this consumption. Resulting from this consumption, what consumption? The energy consumed from that households. How much greenhouse gas is emitted? The pattern of energy consumed by an average household, Australian household. That's the first thing. The pattern of energy consumed. You can see the pattern of energy consumed here. This is the pattern of energy consumption. And the greenhouse gas emissions resulting from this consumption. The greenhouse gas emissions resulting from this consumption. So I have linked the first pie chart to the second pie chart. I merged these things. I made a relationship. Even though these things are two, I made a direct relationship between these two. Now I can go with the overview. Overall, it is clear that Australians use energy the most for heating purposes. Yes. That is a summary of the first chart. But the gas emissions are more from other energy consuming activities. So the gas emissions are more. It is 53% from other sources, just 47% from this. So you can say the gas emissions are more from other energy consuming activities. Definitely. Say that. As per the charts, I can keep this thing on top so that you can see properly. As per the charts, out of the total consumption of energy, you can say out of the total consumption of energy, this is the total consumption of energy. Almost 3/4 is for heating purposes. This is 3/4. It's 72%, almost 75%, 3/4. So out of this 3/4, 42 is for heating. Yes. 30 is specifically for heating water. Definitely. However, water heating results in 32% of greenhouse gas emitted. Yes. Whereas general heating contributes to only 15% of the total emission. So it goes only 15%. So the merging is done. So how the merging is done? This portion is merged with this portion. Comparison is done. The consumption and the gas emission. Now, around 28% of the energy is used for household activities other than heating. You can say this, that 28% is used for other activities other than heating. Activities other than heating. This is heating, 72%. Out of 100 minus 72, it's 28%. So this is the thing here. Of this, 15% is used for running miscellaneous gadgets. You can say that 15% is used for running miscellaneous gadgets, 7% for refrigeration, 4% for writing, and a mere 2% for cooling. Finished. Turning to the share of toxic gases these gadgets emit. So this is the share of toxic gases or greenhouse gases. These gadgets, cooling gadgets, lighting gadgets, other appliances, refrigerators. The figure is recorded at 53, which is almost double than the proportion of their energy consumption, which is almost double than their energy consumption. This is the energy consumption, 28%. Around 53% is the gas emission. So 28 plus 28, it's around 56%. So it is almost the double. Can say this is double. Refrigeration is exactly double. Lighting is exactly the double. You can say that. Other appliances is exactly the double. Like cooling, just 2 goes to 3%. That is. So we have come to the end of this particular session. So we have made a direct relationship between the energy use and the greenhouse gas emissions here. So we have found out that water heating is the area where most of the energy is consumed, and gas emission is done by other equipments more than the other heating. Okay. So that's the end of the session here. Thank you.